Hello my friends, today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of a Bob wallet freezes in a certain block. So the first thing you need to do, go to the Microsoft Store, search for Linux, press enter, go to Ubuntu, click install, install it, click open. Here we go. This is the Ubuntu terminal. This is installing. This might take a few minutes. WSL registered distribution failed with error. She needs some dependencies. Now there she's installing the dependencies. Just wait until she's installed the dependencies. Reboot your system and follow me in those next steps. Yeah, she started the installation. Just wait until she starts the installation. She says there, WSL installation appears to be corrupted, error. Okay, press any key to repair. This prompt will time out in 16 seconds. Okay, hit enter. Update Windows subsystem, yeah, that's what we need. You just need to hit enter. Now she's installing the dependencies. Just wait. She's give us they need some permissions, to give them some permissions. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to this device? Microsoft verify publisher, Microsoft Corporation, file origin hard drive on this computer. Click yes. goes to it. So now hit enter, go to your search bar, type Ubuntu, open, what you need to do now, you need to reboot your system. So that's what I will do now. I will stop the record like that and reboot my system. Restart my system. Here we go, we're back again. Now go to the search bar, type Ubuntu. Yeah, open. We still have the same problem. Take a few minutes. Let's see what choose this error. I think we need to do open from PowerShell in administration mode and type WSL WSL dash install, enter, image version deployment relation. The operation completed successfully. The requested operation is successful. Change will not be affected until the system is rebooted. So yeah, we need to reboot our system again. I will stop the record and close all those windows. Restart. Go again to the search bar, type Ubuntu, Open. Installing this might take a few minutes. Now she's gonna work. She's installing now. We're installing Ubuntu in a virtual machine. In order to do that, you need to enable the virtualization from your BIOS. So I have the virtualization enabled in my computer there, so it works. Installing this method, please create a default Unix user account. The user does not need to match your Windows username. For more information, visit. Okay, general. This is the welcome to Windows subsystem for Linux. We can manage our subsystems like Ubuntu, Debian, OpenSUSE, Kali Linux, and so on and so forth from this graphical user interface. Just close it, you don't need it right now. And she's asked us to enter a username. I will give it 3CCC, hit enter. She's asking us to create a password. Create a password that you want to create. Retype new password. Sorry, password not match. Try again. Yeah. Password updated successfully. Installation successful. Okay, now what we're having there, this CCC is my username on Linux. This is a Linux operating system, which is Ubuntu, installed in a virtual machine in a Windows. Okay, so now we've done the installation. You can continue the steps I will do next in this window there, or in this terminal there, or go there and open Ubuntu terminal like that, and you can close that if you want. So the first thing you need to do is go to your browser and search for, let's go to doc.go, search for homebrew. Homebrew like that. Close these two tabs. Go to the first result there, which is brew.sh. Click. Copy this link there. Click there to copy it. Go back to your Ubuntu terminal. Right click on your mouse and hit enter. She's asked us for our password, for our Linux password, doesn't our Windows password. Give them your Linux password and hit enter. Now she's asked us if we want to install all those dependencies and programs. Hit enter. engine, type python venv ubuntu, hit enter. Let's see what we have there. Yeah, the homebrew package manager was installed. Now you need to run those commands there. Run those commands in your terminal to add homebrew to your path. The first command was that, select it like that, right click again, hit enter. The second was this one there, right click again and hit enter. And the third one was that, select it, right click, hit enter. Now she's asked us to install the homebrew's dependencies if we have a sudo access. Yeah, we have the sudo access. Right click, enter, give them your sudo password. No, before you say, you type yes, copy that to install that GCC. She's recommend to install that GCC, so we will install it. Right click to copy the command, give them the permission to install the homebrew dependencies, type yes, hit enter, wait until she's installed. She's finished the installation. Enable the fetch some archives may run apt-get update or try with fix missing. She's give us a lot of errors there. Error. Okay, before we install the GCC program, let's run apt, type sudo apt get update. Run this command again. Sudo apt get install build essential. Type yes. Okay, now we succeed on that. We don't have any errors there. Now we will going to install the GCC. Type brew install GCC, hit enter, and wait until she's installed. Just be patient. It's gonna take a while. Depends on the speed of the internet you have. Let's close this terminal there. We will back to the venv later. Okay, close it like that. Let's focus with this terminal there. We don't want to distract ourselves. Yeah, the GCC was installed. What we need to do now, we need to type brew install HSD. Hit enter. HSD is the handshake node. So what we're doing now, we are installing the handshake node in the virtual machine. So yeah, the HSD was installed. Now, if you want to run the full node of handshake, which is right now around the 90 gigabytes, around the 19 gigabytes, just type HSD and hit enter. That will run the full node. If you want to run the SPV node, which is the light version of the handshake blockchain, it doesn't gonna take as much space, around the 100 megabytes or 200 megabytes. You can do that too by typing hsd-spv and hit enter. It depends on your preference and your needs. If you just want to open a wallet that you have this problem with, use the SPV node. They will sync faster than the full node, and you will have the access to your assets. So, and if you have a slow internet, SPV node is preferred, is recommended. So I will use in this tutorial, I will use the SPV node because the full node will take too much to sync with the blockchain. Hit enter, and now the handshake blockchain starts syncing with the network. So what she's doing now, she's sending and receiving a lot of data. Or to simplify it, now we download a copy of the handshake blockchain on our operating system in the SPV mode. So whatever, just follow me. Keep this terminal running until the syncing finish. Go to this icon there, click on it, scroll down to Ubuntu, open a new terminal, a new Ubuntu terminal, and let's back to the venv thing. So we need to activate a venv environment in our Ubuntu in order to install a graphical user interface wallet to interact with the blockchain. You can interact with the blockchain from your terminal, but it will be a bit harder, especially for those people non-familiar with IT and programming and those stuff. So it will be easier if you use a graphical user interface. So follow me on that. Copy this comment there, back to your terminal, right click, hit enter, give them the sudo password. Let's make it there and let's open that there. Copy the second one, which is sudo apt install. Copy sudo apt install python 3 -venv. Right click, hit enter. Give them yes. Give them the permission to install by typing y, which means yes. Verify installation. Verify if you have Python 3, which means verify if you have Python 3. Ubuntu by default comes with a Python installed on it by default. So let's do it. Let's see our version of Python. We have there Python 3.14.3. Now let's clear the terminal to make it simpler, like that. Create a virtual environment and navigate to your project directory or create one. Okay, let's create virtual environment, name it my venv. skip this command there and go to this one there, python -m venv my env. Right click to paste the command and hit enter. Wait until we succeed on that, we don't receive any errors. Scroll down to the command there, copy it again and type it there, hit enter. Now we have my venv. We are in the my venv. If you see there, we have my venv. We are in the Python environment. Okay. Now install dependencies, pip install packages, pip install requests, disactive. We don't need that. Once activated, your terminal prompt will change to indicate the activate environments, my env. We don't need all those comments, just stop there. And if your terminal give you this my env there, you succeed on activating Python environment. Now open a new search tab, close those two and search for firewallet browser, like that. Where is she's this there? Go to this website there. Make sure the website is have the same domain name to prevent yourself from installing a virus or something, which is firewallet.o. She's created by Nathan Woodburn, a handshake contributor. Go to code, scroll down, copy this command there, right click, hit enter, and wait until it's installed. The blockchain still syncing. Yeah, create.env file with node enabled, installation complete. You can start the application by running start.c, which is this command there. Copy it or just select it like that and right click with your mouse. Let's clear the terminal again. Right click /start.sh and hit enter. She says bash no such file or directory. Let's do that. What I will do now, we have the folder of firewallet browser. I'm going to enter to the folder of firewallet browser. I will type sd fire, click tab to complete the name of the folder and hit enter. Now I'm inside the folder of firewallet browser. Let's give them the command again, which is start.sh, hit enter. I think she's gonna work. Let's wait. Now you can close this and you can close this. Close this too. Come on. What? It takes so long. If they didn't work, quit from the start.g. I think she's didn't work because the HSD still running, so they can't communicate with the HSD. I think, I am not sure. Back there and type Python 3 space main.py, like that. Hit enter. What's the problem? She needs Flask. Okay. If they give you this error, the error was no module named Flask. She's need the library named Flask. Just type pip install Flask, like that. Hit enter. Yeah, she's installed. Now run the command again. .env do the same thing. She's need a library called .env. Pip install .env, like that. Hit enter. Run the Python 3 space main.py file. She's need another library. Keep doing that until she works. Hit enter. Let's see if it works. Need another one, Flask QR code. Okay. Let's see what we have there. ls requirements. To prevent yourself from all these comments, type and retype and test and retype, I will show you what to do. Let's back to the firewallet browser. Where is the firewall history there? She's that page. Scroll down and copy this comment there. Copy and back to your terminal. Let's clear the terminal. I'm inside the firewallet browser and right click. It doesn't copy it. Why? Yeah, paste it and hit enter. That this requirement to text they will install all the requirements for the firewallet browser and for the main.py file to work. She's installed all the requirements now. I think she's installed all the requirements. Let's try to see. Yeah, she works. Now what you need to do, just copy this link, which is the localhost address, HTTP, just select it like that, right click, go to your browser, any browser you have, Brave or Chrome or Edge, anyone, and paste it there, hit enter. And now you have the Firewallet browser. You can create a new wallet, or if you have a wallet that you have the problem with, the problem of she's phrased in a certain block, she didn't want to continue the synchronization in Bob, you can import it there, and I guarantee you they will synchronize, finish the synchronization, and you can do what you want with your assets, because I have the same problem as you have, and I thought for a moment that I lose my assets, but I open it this way and I restore all my assets, and I send them to another wallet, whatever. No, don't do the import now, wait until the blockchain synced, because if you're doing the import now, the HSD, she's a lot of work. She has a lot of work. She's how I can spell it? She's do a lot of work. If you import the wallet now, she will send a request for the HSD, and you will receive some errors. Okay, wait until the HSD was synced. Keep the HSD open, don't close the terminal, and back to the Firewallet and go and import your wallet. Click there, choose a name, choose a password, enter your seed phrase, and restore your wallet. That's it. So I hope you found the solution for your problem, and you fix your problem, and keep naming. Have a good time and see you soon.